my channel, you guys. In today's video I will be reviewing Xrsbeauty's 13x6 wet and wavy 3-in-1 HD lace unit, and this unit is at 20 inches. So in this video, you guys, you will see a lot of versatility as far as this unit goes. Again, this unit is a 13x6, so with a 13x6, if you don't know what that is, it is a versatile unit that you can do with a side part, you can do a middle part, you can do an updo look, whatever you choose, which is great. And with this being a 3-in-1, this unit is wet and wavy, and then you can also flat iron it, straighten it, and you can also curl it. So this unit has lots and lots of versatility, you guys. So I'm excited to show you guys the install of this unit. But before we jump into this install, you guys, I want to show you guys the different laces that were sent to me. They do have a new clear lace, they have a brown lace, and then they also have a transparent lace. So this first lace that I'm showing you guys is the new clear lace. As you guys can see, it blends into my skin really well. I am using the wig dealer spray. The wig dealer spray works really well, you guys, and it sticks really good. The other lace that I am showing you guys is the regular brown lace. As you guys can see, there is a slight bit of color in this lace, but also the lace still blends really good. Also will go really good with your scalp, especially my skin tone, so I do really like the brown lace as well. And then, as you guys also know, this is a transparent lace, and you'll know that because the lace is a tad bit more clear, but with the transparent lace, you guys are familiar with that if you've been following my channel. I do transparent lace as well. So all those different laces I show you guys are the laces that they sent me. The lace that I am wearing is the new clear lace, of course. So let's just jump right into this install so you guys can see just how versatile this is and how it is a 3-in-1 wet and wavy unit. Alright, you guys, so what I really loved about this lace is that this lace, it wasn't a lot of it that I had to cut. So it was very easy to basically just put it against my scalp and basically cut it to the circumference of my head. So that's basically what I'm doing now. Now I did have to slightly cut the edges just a little bit, but again, this lace, it wasn't a lot of it, so it was much easier than a lot of laces that I have done. And as you guys can see, I am gonna do a side part, which is my favorite, as you guys know. So I'm gonna go ahead and just part it. Now the wig space, I would say it goes back pretty far. Now this is a unit that I can part straight back. I don't have to do it at a curve just because there is more lace to work with within the unit as well. Again, it is a 13x6. So I did achieve the side part that I really wanted. Not that I can't achieve it when I part it at a curve, but when it's straighter, I just think it's much easier. Now, as you guys can see, this lace did melt into my scalp. As stated in the beginning, this is an HD lace. So with the HD lace, it is way easier to go ahead and blend it as opposed to, you know, a transparent unit. It blends right in with your scalp. Now I am going to be showing you guys the versatility in this unit now. Again, it is a 3-in-1. So you can flat iron this unit. Again, you can curl this unit, or you can do a wet and wavy type of look. So this unit is a 3-in-1 for that reason. I'm just showing you guys that you can flat iron this. Look how good this flat irons, you guys. I do believe that you have to go over it a couple times, but it definitely will straighten. This heat is up to 450 degrees, so this is at its highest. So you guys are just gonna see how I am flat ironing one side, and then the other side I'm gonna go ahead and curl. No, I'm sorry, not curl, but I'm gonna go ahead and wet it so you guys can see that wet and wavy look. Now, as you guys can see, one side is straight, one side is wet and wavy. So now I'm going to go ahead and just wet the other side that has been straightened, so you guys can see that it'll go back into its natural state. And once you keep it in that natural state, it's going to stay that way. It's going to stay in its wet and wavy state. So this is what you guys will see, and then just see how beautiful it goes back into that wavy look. Now, as far as the baby hairs go, you guys, the baby hairs were easy to pull out and just lay down. This unit pretty much was also pre-plucked as well. I did pluck the parting space just a little bit to make it look more natural. But other than that, everything else was pretty much easy as far as the hairline. Now, this unit is pretty short for me. It is 20 inches. Again, 20 inches is pretty short for me. But the way these waves came out, you guys, these waves came out really pretty. And just the fact that I was able to straighten it and then go back to spraying it and put it back in its natural state, that's what I really enjoyed about this unit the most. Now with this unit, you guys, I did decide to go ahead and just blend it out with some powder. Now you don't have to blend out this unit because the knots are already bleached. But I always just do that just to blend it more just for me. And as far as the unit in itself, you guys, there was no tangling, just a little bit of shedding towards the ends. But other than that, as you guys can see, I didn't even have to use my hot comb. Even though, you know, I don't think it's bulky. What do you guys think? I don't think it came bulky at all. But that's really it, you guys. This is the finishing look.